Hey guys, it's Sharky Dude 8 here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a free soundboard for Gorilla Tag. First, download SoundDuck from soundduck.rocks or use the link from the video description. Install the program, change output device to cable input. Then you need to change a few sound settings. First, right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray and select Sounds. Then select the Playback tab and make Oculus headphones the default playback device. Then select the Recording tab and make the headset microphone the default communication device. Then scroll down and make the cable output device recording device. Default recording device. Now go back to the Oculus headset microphone properties and select the listening tab and check the box listen to the device and select playback device as cable input VB virtual cable. To add sounds to your soundboard, download them from the internet and add them to the sound folder for SoundDuck. Then click Reload to import them into SoundDuck. I'll put a link in the description to a few places you can get sounds. To have keyboard shortcuts, click the keyboard icon next to the sounds you want, then push the key you want to use.